Mongolian beef. Ingredients: 1/4 c. plus 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, divided. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon minced fresh ginger. 1/4 c. low-sodium soy sauce. 1/3 c. water. 1/2 c. packed brown sugar. 1 pound flank steak, sliced thinly against the grain. 1/4 c. cornstarch. 4 green onions, sliced into quarters, plus 1 chopped green onion for garnish. Butter lettuce, for serving. Directions: in a small saucepan over medium heat, heat 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. Add garlic and ginger and cook until fragrant, 2 minutes. Add soy sauce, water and brown sugar and stir until dissolved. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer until reduced by half, 10 to 12 minutes. Meanwhile, in a large skillet over medium heat, heat remaining 1/4 cup vegetable oil. In a large bowl, toss flank steak with cornstarch until fully coated. Add steak to skillet and sear until crispy, 3 to 4 minutes per side. Drain fat. Add sauce and green onion quarters to skillet and toss until combined, then simmer a few minutes more. Serve steak in lettuce cups and garnish with green onions.